look, Alexa, I found the camera.
What?
Look, I found the camera.
And it's in the car?
It's in the car. You're such a smart little cookie. How did you know these things? Don't play music, John.
Aubrey!
I know you're gonna start playing there.
Aubrey!
She's sleeping, Ethan. Gotta be quiet, okay? He's afraid of that thing falling off.
Come on.
You got Grandma! Come here.
Yes,
You can go in there. In the living room.
Hi, Ethan.
Non-stop. Grandma, 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 Grandma. Yay! Take off your shoes, Ethan. Take your shoes off.
Hi, Aubrey. I missed you too. Hi.
Yay! Hi. You can pull up and unload, John. And then put it back. It's just because I didn't want that thing to fall over. You like this fluffy sweater? You might not want to pet her. I know it's going to be yours. Roxy!
Roxy,
is she trapped somewhere, or is she just backed up?
Behind the baby gate.
Oh, hi, Roxy. Wait till your grandma introduces you, okay? She's kind of a shy dog.
She doesn't like kids, okay?
Well, she probably would like Alexa now. Alexa's being pretty good at animals. You've won over Sasha. Hey guys, sit down over there and take your shoes off, okay?
Okay, and then I'll bring you upstairs and say hi to Roxy.
Because I want you, Grandma.
We thought grumpy old dog should stay upstairs. 2 minutes of refrigeration.
She's on it.
I'm strong.
You are strong.
She's an expert at everything, Mom.
So I hear.
Alexa, there's a squirrel hopping in the snow.
Yeah, there's
cute.
2 extra, exactly 26.
You might be old enough.
Pizza!
Pizza? No, cookies. We're making cookies, dude.
Cookie pizza!
Cookies, Abby! Cookies! Yay!
Cookie!
Is that a doggy? That's Roxy. She's kind of shy. She's a shy doggy. Wuff, wuff. Are you barking like Roxy? Yeah, is that doggy? Yeah, that's Grandma's dog. She's shy around people.
No!
Oh.
You don't hush, you're going outside. No. And you don't want to go outside, it's cold. It's only
Shush, shush, shush. Sit. Sit. Little girl. Old woman. That's why my mom calls you grumpy old dog, because you're a grumpy old dog. Sit. 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 Yeah, shh, 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 shh. It's okay. I know. You got stuck up here with... You don't trust kids, okay? Because a kid once upon a time broke your tail. So you just don't trust kids, even my kids. Okay? But you're fine. Aubrey, I know you want to play with the dog. No, babies. Come here. No, come here. Let's go this way. Come here. No, no. Come here. Come here. Let's go down. No, no. Come here. She's kind of shy. You're too little for her, my love. I'm so sorry. There you go. Go talk to Grandma. And here's one of your wise men. There you go. Come here, baby.
Her socks on. Her feet are cold, she said.
Oh, go ahead, Alexa.
It is only 10 degrees outside, so.
Yeah, it fits her. I think that was my old one.
Yes, it is. I just told her that.
Yeah.
I tied a knot in the back.
I was gonna get the ones from. No, snuggles. Now who's snuggling who? Because you're very soft. I got camera.
I'm going to get my grandma, okay?
You go get your grandma. Oh, we forgot to get that bowling set.
Oh,
Remember?
yeah. Okay, okay.
Because that was only $7.
Oh!
You want this?
How about this?
Here you go. Roxy. You have to watch this little girl. Yeah, can I come say hi to doggy? Please? Yeah, I'm coming. I want to pet this dog. Yeah? You go wait. Go wait. Dada's coming for you. Can I have these doggies, please? You know me and doggies.
Okay.
I'll charm her.
All right, so let's get Ethan's turn.
You can't resist my cuteness.
I know you were first, but you gotta go.
Roxy. Shh, 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 shh. Maybe have her go down to her height, John. Right in front of the gate. See how she does. Good girl, Roxy. Yeah, it's a doggy. Roxy. Shh, shh, shh. all dancing. It's a doggy. Hey, what's up, handsome?